Hi everyone, my paper pumpkin kit just arrived, very excited, and this is the Hope box. This box was created with our co-founder of Stampin' Up, Shelly, and so this is something inspired by her, so it's bound to be pretty, and here it is. Okay, let's look at the stamp set first. You've got quite a large stamp set. And I like that there's a lot of sentiments here. Let's see. We've got where there is, probably then you add hope. Where there is faith, miracles happen. There is faith. Always hope because you never know what tomorrow will bring. Just a note of hope. Okay, and then you've got really pretty floral image, a butterfly, a splatter, and a smaller butterfly. Very nice stamp set. Gorgeous. Okay, so then you've got Blackberry Bliss. A whole row. Look at this big ribbon. That's lovely. Ooh, I like these right away. Really pretty rhinestones. This has a gorgeous look to it, just right off the bat. Okay, so we've got, like I said, these really pretty rhinestones, and of course dimensionals, some glue dots. Look at these envelopes, are really pretty. Really pretty envelopes. Let's see, I think there's 3 different kinds. 1, nope, on both sides. 2, gorgeous. 3, very nice. Okay, then we've got some banners. 3 sheets of the banners. Excuse me. Got some white pieces, probably for stamping. We've got the word tomorrow in a few languages and hope in a few languages. Some pieces for layering. Here's some more probably for stamping. Some more layering. Cute little butterflies. So cute. Some card bases. Okay, now this, I'll get to that. Okay, card bases. Here we go. That one's really cute. I want to see the cards. I forgot to look at what the cards are going to look like. Here's some more pieces, some more languages. Some more pieces. Oh, and look at this big one. I think that's for the box. All right, let me find my instruction sheet. There it is. Okay, so this is a big instruction sheet. The box itself, and that's what that big ribbon is for. The box itself is meant to be part of a gift packaging. So you've got this belly band that's going to fit around your box. And the larger butterfly that I showed, where'd it go? Here it is. These pieces are actually to decorate your box. Isn't that fun? Super pretty. And so that's what's shown here. And then here you've got your cards. Aren't they gorgeous? So that there's some like with using these. That's this one. So many pretty pieces here. So you've got instructions on the inside for how to put it all together, including the box. Number 4 there. Here it is down here. Look at how pretty. So as usual, I buy extra boxes because I always know that I'm going to get someone who says, I didn't sign up in time, and or I didn't know how cute it was going to be. So I do get extra boxes. If you contact me, you can find out if I still have one, and let me know if you'd like one. Otherwise, the next kit, actually, sometimes they give a little picture of what the next kit's going to be, and I can tell you what it's going to be. It's fall themed, and it's treat boxes, and they're saying that they're giving you pieces, and they've done this in the past, where they're going to give you some pieces that are more Halloween fall, you know, like maybe spooky jack-o'-lantern or something, or a little, you know, cat or something. Or there's going to be harvest kind of themed pieces. So the little, you know, the little die cuts, where here we've got the butterflies. You're going to get enough so you can do all the treat boxes in a Halloween theme, or you can do all the treat boxes in a fall harvesty type theme. Like maybe you want to use them for Thanksgiving or to give to some teachers or co-workers, and you don't want to go with a Halloween theme. You can change it up and make it fall. So they're saying that the pieces are usable for either or, so you can decide. Okay, you can do half and half. All right, so that is next month, and this one is the Hope box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.